This quick demo will show you, the LEA admin, a few things to help you as you enter the new CalPAD system. For today's demonstration, I'm logged into the staging environment as an LEA admin in the Burbank Unified, and this is the first time that I've logged in as this user. The very first thing I want to do is ensure that I have all the necessary roles to complete the work that I need to do. So I'm going to the admin user menu and choosing the user management submenu. Here I'm going to enter my username, which is my email address, so that I can see what my user account looks like. And so I see my name is correct, my email, but my phone number is not right. And I also know that I need to edit my roles or to look at the roles that I've been assigned to ensure that I have everything I need. So I am the LEA admin. That means I have an org type of LEA at Burbank Unified. And there's no schools listed because inherent to the org type LEA is the fact that I would be able to see all schools and school sites within that LEA. And here I see that in the roles column, I only have one role. When I click on the link to expand or collapse the roles, I see LEA admin. So I need to edit that so that I can submit my files for fall 1. So I'm going to click edit. Again, we see the modal comes up with the right information. I'm an LEA org type user account and I'm at Burbank Unified. Of course, I'm not going to select any schools because I have access to all schools. And for the purposes of our demonstration today, I'm going to give myself all the assignable roles. You may consider this even if you are not planning on being the individual who does all the work that's necessitated for these roles. You may do this just on the first time you go in so that someone has access to all functionality in CalPads until you have determined who your other users are and what roles they need. You may want to give yourself all the roles. I'm also going to give myself auto post and I'm going to save and close the modal. And so the messaging tells us that the roles have been saved. And I see that here as the screen flashes and refreshes, I see that I now have 39 roles. In order to change my phone number, I go to the user menu and click on profile. It's important to check this phone number and to make sure that it is correct because the support staff here at the service desk, we use this phone number to contact you. So you'll want to make sure that it is correct. And we have put in a request to add an extension, but for the time being, please put in the 10-digit number that you do have. One other important thing to note is that you will want to ensure that the password reset works for you or for any other users that you have in your LEA. You'll need to make sure that the email address calpads.org, that this domain at calpads.org is whitelisted by the email service that you use at your LEA. It's important because this is where you get the token reset for password reset. And you see here in this screen that I have requested a temporary password link. And when I click on this temporary password link, it will bring me to a web page so that I can enter my email and reset my password. If the password token ever expires, and this includes those password tokens that you may assign to other individuals within your LEA, they can go to the forgot password link. And so this password link is something that you may be able to give to an individual if they want to bookmark it or if they've forgotten their password. But again, it's important that you have this this domain at calpads.org whitelisted by your IT or the individuals that maintain your email service at your LEA. So those are just a few tips and tricks for you when you are first entering the CalPads application as the LEA admin. If you have additional questions or you need support and you're able to get into this application, please do use the help menu service request so that you can pre-populate information about who you are and then indicate the nature of your question or your concern here. We love to hear from you and appreciate your feedback.